In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a parent row in Smartsheet. First, open Smartsheet and head to the home page. From here, you can start fresh or work with something you already have. If you're creating a new project, choose a template or a blank sheet and give it a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to find later. If you're continuing in an existing file, you can use what you already have and simply organize it with hierarchy. On Home, you'll see areas like Suggested and All Workspaces. Suggested shows items you've opened recently, which is handy if you were working on a sheet earlier. If you don't see what you need there, switch to All Workspaces to browse everything you have access to. Click the workspace that contains your sheet. Inside the workspace, click the sheet you want to organize. Your sheet will open in the grid. Now, to make a parent row, you'll use indentation. Select the row you want to nest under another row, then click the small right arrow next to the row. When you indent a row, the row immediately above it becomes the parent. You'll see an expand or collapse icon appear on that parent row, and its formatting may change slightly, indicating it now groups the items beneath it. At the top of your new group, that row is the parent. You can repeat the indent action for any additional rows that belong in that group. If you indent by mistake, simply outdent to move a row back to the main level. You can also select multiple rows and indent them together to quickly build a section. Think of parent rows like section headers, planning, design, or launch, with related tasks tucked neatly underneath. This makes it easier to scan your sheet and collapse details when you're focusing on the big picture. A few quick tips to keep things clean and clear. Give parent rows concise, descriptive names. These act as anchors for your teams. Avoid indenting the very top header row of the sheet. Use a normal data row beneath it as your parent. If you don't see all workspaces or your sheet, you may not have permission to edit, so check your sharing or ask for access. Collapsing parent rows is great during meetings to keep the conversation focused, and expanding them helps when you're updating task details. When you're done, your changes save automatically. You can expand and collapse your new parent row anytime, and continue building hierarchy as your project grows. That's all there is to it. Start from home, open your workspace and sheet, and use the right arrow to indent rows so the row above becomes a parent. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Smartsheet.